As of this date, right now, is this vehicle insured to be on the roadway?
Right now, no. I'm not going to.
You're being charged with fictitious plates.
Gotcha.
Those plates on this car, I don't think they're real.
On July 2nd, 2024, Sylvina Police pulled over a driver for what seemed like a routine stop until they discovered a fictitious plate. The driver was caught in a lie but refused to back down. If you were the officer in this situation, how would you handle it? Let's take a closer look.
Good evening.
What's going on, bro?
Not much. Well, I was following you down southbound Quarry on the Central right there when you're stopping for the red light. Didn't make a full stop behind the bar, so it's just something minor.
Sorry.
You got your license on you tonight?
I have a picture of it because I had to pick up my mom from work, if that's fine.
That'll suffice. Is it on your phone then?
Oh, yeah, you mind if I grab to show you?
Yeah, well, yeah. If it's on your phone, you can show me on your phone. Ma'am, how you doing? Good.
You're more than welcome to grab it.
You native out of Texas?
Oh, yeah.
Makes sense
I'm
on the
here
plate.
for college.
Mind if I just nab that DL real quick?
Man, go ahead.
Go ahead and hold it for me. How come it's not on you? How come you just got a picture of it?
Because I left it at home. She was late for work, and I had to go pick her up.
Gotcha. Do you mind if I hold it? My eyes
no,
are just
no,
gonna...
you're good, bro.
I'm a little bit older than I expected.
It's fine, man.
I can hardly read the deal. What's your date of birth?
December 3rd, 2001.
Alright. There's that back for you.
Appreciate it.
You still live on that address on your license?
Yes, I still reside there.
How do you pronounce your first name?
ABDI.
No, how do you pronounce it?
Abdiaziz.
Abdiaziz?
Yeah, but I go by a nickname, which is Mustafa.
Mustafa?
Yeah.
You mind if I call you that?
Hey, it's fine, man.
Alright. Do you have anything illegal inside the car?
No, sir.
Any illegal drugs, firearms, anything like that?
Illegal.
Alright, cool. Yeah, so the plate that you got on the rear of your car, and I'm not that familiar with Texas.
Yeah,
but it's plastic. Typically in my line of work, usually plates are made out of metal.
Yeah.
So are you being honest with me? Has it been actually registered in the state of Texas, or is that something that was purchased online?
I did register on Texas 100%.
Is that plate supposed to be on this vehicle, though?
It should be, yes.
It should be.
It should be, yes.
Okay.
Can I take this plate out of it?
Oh, yeah, go ahead, bro. You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome. All right, watch your hand.
This one's metal-ish.
Metal-ish?
Yeah,
What's
It's metal, it's just very thin.
Okay.
I don't know.
Alright. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll try to find what I can find, but obviously,
man.
if you can't furnish a registration for your vehicle, I'm looking at an unregistered vehicle, because as of right now, if you're supposed to provide registration for vehicles to a law enforcement officer in the state of Ohio.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
The plate that I'm running on the back of this vehicle ain't coming back to anything.
That's what they say, too. When my car got broken into, I had to call TPD. He said the same thing. Don't know why, but then he just let me off the hook after I stored everything I can, because I don't know what's going on with Texas.
Were you able to furnish insurance as well?
Find my insurance?
Tell you what, just go and stay in your car for a minute, alright?
Yeah, man.
We'll figure out what's going on with the car.
Yeah, man. You're more than welcome.
Alright, man. It's time to pony up with me. What's going on with the plates? Because I don't think they're legit.
You being dead? You being serious?
Who got the plates? Did you buy them?
No, I didn't buy them.
Then who got them?
My sister kind of helped me out with the whole registration.
Did something have to do with China and order them from some weird website that's not the DMV of Texas?
I promise.
Because we're Googling these plates and it's coming back up. A legit Texas plate should have a barcode on the bottom of it.
Oh, yeah, it should have a barcode, 100%. That I know.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, so obviously this is the situation, right?
Yeah, what's up?
This vehicle, technically, it is registered, all right? But it's extremely expired. Because back when you're talking about purchasing the vehicle in Michigan, it was temporary registered, but it's 2 years old, or it's actually like almost 3 years old now. Very old registration.
Very old, yes, sir.
All right?
Yeah.
So, I technically could tow your car today, but I'm not gonna. Did you find insurance for the car?
I'm looking for it. No, I can't find it.
You don't? Do you have insurance or not, man?
I have
Either you do or
liability.
don't.
I have liability, but I have to pay for that again, which I forgot.
As of this date, right now, is this vehicle insured to be on the roadway?
Right now, no. I'm not going to.
So is this your mom?
Yeah, just
Do you see the liability? I mean, let's just say for a hypothetical situation, this is a deer-heavy area. A deer runs out in front of your car, goes up over the windshield, you two get injured. See the thousands of dollars in liability and the medical expenses that you and your mom would be accountable for, that insurance wouldn't be able to pick up?
Yeah, it's because we just...
You're driving around an unregistered vehicle. Well, it is registered, but it's extremely expired. Okay? And then you're driving around uninsured, so it's a big no-no. So you're going to get a piece of paper today, all right? But, like I said, I'm cutting you a huge break. I didn't get a chance to run your license. Is your license legit?
Yes, you can.
You are valid? Okay. As long as you are valid, as long as that license you gave me is legit, We just see like there's a planetary alignment here that says vehicle's not right, insurance is not right.
I'll get that sorted out 100%.
All right.
I just.
You definitely, I mean, I don't know what Toledo had did, or I don't know what Toledo had said, but it took me all of about 2 minutes to figure all this out.
Yeah,
Toledo
they
should
had
have
me like,
told you
yeah,
the same
they
stuff.
told me like, oh, you're good, you this and that, yada yada. I'm like, okay, that's just so weird. You feel me? It's just so. I didn't understand.
Are you living up here, or are you still living in Texas?
I'm living up here for college until I'm done, which is like in a couple
Please, as soon as you get a chance, take this out to the title.
Yeah.
Get the title switched over, whatever you need to do.
Oh,
You still have the
that,
title
trust
for
me.
this car?
Yes, I do. It's in my.
Get the title out, get it inspected, get it registered here in Ohio, especially if you've been living here more than 30 days.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Well, I'll shake your hand. After all this is over with, all right? 'Cause you've been really cool with me.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man. Good looking at it. Thank you.
What's your soc?
Have it on my phone.
That's fine. What's a good phone? Oh, he's getting hit with fictitious plates. I'm gonna hit him with fictitious plates, so he's gonna have a mandatory appearance. He, alright, let's see. You are to appear. See this little box?
Okay.
Appearance is required. You being charged with fictitious plates.
Gotcha.
Those plates on this car, I don't think they're real. They obviously don't come back to anything. You can't furnish a registration. Alright? Fair enough?
Fair enough, man.
Okay. So in the meantime, you have to appear on that date and time. But in the meantime, it looked very good for you if you get the vehicle plated,
By
get
then,
it inspected, get it plated properly, get it insured. Because also I indicated that the vehicle doesn't have insurance right now.
Okay.
Try to get all that stuff done.
Trust me.
All right?
I will, man. Trust me.
Now look, I'm cutting you a huge break here. The vehicle is technically registered. It's just very expired. It's just you got fake plates on the dang thing. All right. So let me put it this way: if you had the real plates, the temporary registration, whatever, from Michigan, if you had that on this car, I'd just cite you with an expired tag and you pay your ticket online. But because you got these fake ones on there that don't come back to anything and you have no paperwork for them,
Yeah.
you have to appear.
Okay.
All right. If you fail to appear, they can impose additional fines and fees and suspend your driver's license.
That's fine.
You said you're in school right now?
Yeah.
All right. So obviously a car is a priority. You got to get it to and from. I did my time, all right? I understand what it's like to be a student. Did my 4 years, done. But please...
Major in?
Huh?
What'd you major in?
Come on, Justice.
I'm
Nothing special, man. But anyways, do you have any questions for me?
Sure.
All right. So like I said, in the meantime, between now and then, it's almost 3 weeks away. Gives you a little bit of time. Get the vehicle registered if you can.
Oh, I'm doing that all tomorrow because this is my
Get the
off day
insurance.
tomorrow.
And then when you get the insurance, I know you can at least get insurance for it.
Oh, yeah,
As soon as you get your insurance, show up to your court date and time with your insurance. If you can get the vehicle registered and inspected and all that by then, that'd be perfect. The judge is going to like the look of that, all right?
I've never really been in court before, so I don't know how that is.
Just make sure you show up there on that date and time.
Okay. And then
All right.
okay.
You'll go up and you'll talk to the judge.
Gotcha.
All right?
Gotcha.
All right.
Thank you.
Please, as soon as you get a chance, get the vehicle registered, get it insured immediately.
Okay.
All right? You be safe tonight.
Thank you. Turn it off and go. Just go.
No, I'll cut my lights and my my spotlight so you can see. But if you want to take off, you're good. You got no cars coming.
In the end, the driver got hit with a hefty citation and now has a court appearance for lying about the plate. Lucky for him, his car didn't get towed. If you were the cop, would you have let him drive away or called for a tow? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Or next time, I might just have to write you a ticket.